Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to go live on your close friends on Instagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, click on the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. When you go live for your close friends or your followers and subscribers, obviously you have a greater control over who sees your content, right? Because this privacy alone gives you a more intimate and a secure environment ideal for sharing personal moments. Engaging directly with your close friends in a live session can strengthen your bonds. It's a more personal and immediate way to interact compared to regular posts or stories. Because as we all know, live videos enable real-time interaction, allowing you to have a genuine and spontaneous conversations with your close friends. This authenticity can make your connections feel more meaningful and less curated. Now the thing is, it's easier to do it on the mobile device, so I suggest you open your Instagram app and we'll take it from there. Now, once you are on the Instagram app, I need you to click on the plus button here at the bottom. Now, when you do that, obviously you will have an option to post, story, reel, and you can even go live, all right? Now, on the live section, there's gonna be an option that says schedule, audience. Click on the broadcast audience, and from here, there's no there's no feature from the Instagram to go on going live for your close friends. But the smart workaround is you can go in the practice mode. From here, as you can see, you can go live by yourself or with others to practice. Nobody will be notified, and you can change the audience when you are ready. Now, if you wanted to be public and wanted to everyone to see what's going on, you can do that as well. But I suggest you go in practice mode so that your close friends or followers or subscribers can be notified of you going live. All right. Now, when you click on the set audience, what will happen is, as you can see, you would be able to do that. It's a practice, but it's not really official, like, you know, going live. All right. So that's one way for you, one of the smartest way or work around going live on your close friends here on Instagram. And of course, using the close friends live feature on Instagram can create a meaningful, engaging, and private social media experience using the practice mode, enhancing the way you connect and interact with your inner circle. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.